to your favorite channel Math Helper. See exercise 13.3 question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Like this, a well is there. Suppose this is a well. It will be in the shape of cylinder. Height of well is given 14 meter and the diameter of the well is given 3 meter. If diameter of the well is 3 meter, radius will be 3 by 2. Suppose R1 is the radius of the well. Now whatever the volume of the अर्थ विल कम आउट, सॉइल जो भी बाहर आ रही है उसको उन्होंने इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट उसके आसपास ही फैला दिया. लाइक दिस दे हैव स्प्रेड द सॉइल आसपास ऑफ द वेल. और एम्बैंकमेंट का मतलब होता है एक वॉल सी बना दी, थिकनेस ऑफ वॉल या डैम टाइप बना दिया. वो दी हुई है 4 मीटर. Now you have to find the height of the embankment. Embankment में भी height भी है, radius भी है, so it is also in form of cylinder. Now volume of the earth taken out from to make the well will be equal to volume of the soil made एम्बैंकमेंट. जिस सॉइल से एम्बैंकमेंट मिली है दोनों, क्योंकि वही सॉइल स्प्रेड किया तो दोनों का वॉल्यूम सेम होगा. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ टेकन विल बी पाई R1 स्क्वायर. सपोज दिस इज H1 हाइट ऑफ द वेल, सो H1 वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉइल जो एम्बैंकमेंट बनाने के काम आ रही है. यू सी रेडियस इज 3 by 2, दिस स्मॉल, width is 4 meter. That means big R. Firstly, I will write the formula that will be the volume of the circular ring or hollow cylinder, that is pi big R square minus small r square into H. Now see what will be big R. Big R will be 3 by 2 plus 4, क्योंकि 3 by 2 इतना है, radius of the well same होगा और साथ में width 4 meter है, so you will add them. 4 means 4 over 1. 2 1 LCM 2. 2 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2 1, 1 into 3 3. Now 2 divided by 1, 2 into 4 8, so 11 by 2. And small r, you see small r will be 3 by 2 only. ये वाला ना सर्कुलर रिंग जैसे ये है. स्मॉल r is 3 by 2, big r is 4 plus 3 by 2, that is 11 by 2. तो इसका वॉल्यूम जब निकालना है तो व्हाट यू आर यूजिंग, pi big R square minus small r square into H, volume of circular ring or volume of a hollow cylinder. So this formula you will use. Now see R1 is 3 by 2 because radius is 3, so R1 will be 3 by 2. H1 is 14. Clearly it is given that height is 14. Now you have to put in the formula. Pi you will write as it is. R1 you will put 3 by 2 whole square. H1 you will put 14. Pi again say R square you will put 11 by 2 whole square. Now here small bracket you are putting, so here you can put any other bracket, minus 3 by 2 whole square into H, height of the embankment which you want to find. Pi cancel. 3 by 2 square will come 9 by 4 into 14 is equal to 11 square is 121, 2 square is 4, minus 3 square is 9 over 4 into H. Now we will simplify. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So you will get 9 into 7 over 2 equal to 4 LCM 121 minus 9 into H. Now 9 7s are 63 over 2, and here 121 minus 9. 121, when you will subtract 9 you will get 112 over 4 into H. So H will come 63 into 4, you will do cross multiply. Here 2 into 112 means जो H के साथ ऊपर है that will come downside, जो H के साथ नीचे है that will come upside, और ये वाली term 63 by 2 will remain same. Now 2 2s are 4, 63 when you will divide by 3 or you want to cut them, तो आपको ये देखना है कि ये किससे कट होंगे. अब 63 9 7 63 is there, तो 7 से देखो दोनों जा रहे हैं, 7 9 ज़ा 63, 7 1 ज़ा 7 एंड 7 6 ज़ा 42. अब देखो 2 8 ज़ा 16, so what came 9/8. Whenever 8 is coming or factor of 2 is coming or factor of 5 is coming or factors of 2 and 5 both is coming, you have to divide fully. So 9 you will divide by 8. 9 1 ज़ा 8 1 ज़ा 8, 1 will come, point you will put here 0. 8 1 ज़ा 8 again, then 2, because after point you can put as many zeros you want, so one more you can put. 8 2 ज़ा 16, 4 again 0 will come, 8 5 ज़ा 40. So what came answer? 1.125. Now height is there, other all measurement is in meters, so it will also come in meters. So I am writing answer again here. Height will come 1.125. This is height of embankment with meter, height of embankment. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.